Welcome to third grade. My name is Miss Ezepik and I'm so excited to be your classroom teacher this year. We are going to have so much fun and I can't wait to meet and see you all in person. I will see my cohort A friends tomorrow on the first day of school, Tuesday, September 15th at 8:40 a.m. For my cohort B friends, I will not see you in person tomorrow, but you need to log on to Google Classroom and you will find some assignments posted for you there. Make sure you complete those assignments and I will see you on Wednesday over the computer and then on Thursday in person. We are going to learn so much this school year. We even have some awesome people who are going to come in and support us throughout the year. I would like you to meet Miss Zaleski. She's one of them that's going to be in and out of our classroom just supporting friends and helping them out.
Hi, third grade friends. I'm Miss Zaleski and I'm going to be helping out in your third grade class this year. I can't wait to see all of the hard work you accomplish and I'm so excited to get to help you. See you soon.
Now let me show you our classroom and what third grade is all about. I'm so excited to meet you and get to know you. Remember, the first day of school for everyone, whether you're in person or virtually, is tomorrow, Tuesday, September 15th. We will meet all together on Wednesdays on Google Meet. You will find the link on Google Classroom about 5 minutes before our 8:40 start time. When you're seeing me on the computer, I will not have my mask on. But when we are in school, masks are required, so make sure you bring a mask with you every day that you come to school. I will look like this when you see me on Wednesdays virtually. Well, I can't wait to meet you, and I know we're going to have a fabulous school year together.